6. Rambo Savage. Like all Rambo bikes, the Savage features the signature ruggedized design and durable components. This casual bike sports a powerful 750-watt high-torque motor with a peak rating of 1000 watts that can go a top speed of 20 miles per hour. This bike is great for the road and can be used on off-road paths on the grass. The Savage comes with double-walled rims and Kenda Crusade fat tires for excellent off-road capabilities. You can use this bike for riding uphill or going over rugged terrain. The bike can travel up to 35 miles on a single charge, so it can last throughout the day. The Rambo Savage is great for weekend adventures and for daily rides. This electric hunting bike is ideal for casual rides, daily commutes, and distant outdoor adventures. 5. Rambo Cruiser. If you need a high-performance everyday ride that has no fuss, choose the Rambo Cruiser. This powerful electric bike sports a conventional BMX-style frame and a rigid suspension perfect for individuals who are just getting started on electric bikes, like casual riders, teenagers, and young adults. It comes with premium fat tires, so it is excellent for the road and can travel on the grass or bush. This casual bike sports a powerful 500-watt high-torque motor with a peak rating of 750 watts and top speed of 19 miles per hour, ideally suited for trekking the countryside or grasslands. It comes with an ultra-high-capacity lithium battery pack that gives it an incredible range of 35 miles, a perfect daily rider for weekend adventurers. 4. Rambo Nomad. The Rambo Nomad features a powerful 750-watt Bafang high-torque, mid-drive motor, double-walled rims, and a premium GTM-RK 860 air fork suspension with impressive performance and excellent off-road capabilities. The bike is equipped with an 11-speed rear derailleur for total control of torque. It has a good power reserve, so you have no problems riding uphill or going over rugged terrain. This electric mountain bike has a top speed of 20 miles per hour and can go as far as 38 miles on a single charge. It is fit as a hunting bike or a daily driver for commuting in the city. If you want to have a practical ride and have something decent for weekend getaways, the Rambo Nomad Fat Tire e-bike is for you. 3. Rambo Rooster. This powerful electric bike sports the all-loved step-through frame and a rigid suspension, yet has all the premium components and robust design expected of bikes made by Rambo. This city bike sports a powerful 750-watt Bafang motor that delivers incredible torque and performance. These batteries have a longer lifespan compared to lead batteries. The bike can travel up to 35 miles on a single charge, so it can last throughout the day, and you can cover long distances. There is an integrated rear rack that you can use to carry large bags and stuff. This entry-level bike is perfect for individuals who are just getting started into electric bikes, like casual riders, teenagers, and young adults. 2. Rambo Pursuit. The Rambo Pursuit e-bike sports a powerful 750-watt high-torque BBS02 mid-drive motor with a peak power of 1000 watts, sporty double-walled rims, and all-terrain puncture-resistant fat tires, so you can ride it through harshest conditions where other bikes cannot go. The bike now has a GTM-RK front fork for improved off-road capability as part of the redesign. It features a 14 ampere-hour power pack consisting of Samsung lithium-ion batteries. These batteries have more reliability and a premium 800-cycle lifespan. The bike can travel up to 35 miles on a single charge, lasting throughout the day and covering long distances. The battery pack has an easy slide on-off design for quick removal when charging or for storage. 1. Rambo Megatron. If you are an avid trailblazer and want a high-performance bike that will hold up on the trail, choose the Megatron Fat Tire electric bike. This uniquely designed electric bike is among the very few in the market that got two 1000-watt electric motors. The bike has a blistering top speed of 30 miles per hour, so it is a very capable hunting bike, designed to deliver incredible power on the harshest terrain. It comes with an ultra-high-capacity lithium battery pack that gives it an incredible range of 40 miles. Go to places you've never been with the Rambo Megatron electric bike, featuring a true all-wheel drive dual-motor setup made to deal with harsh terrain. There you have it for our list of the best Rambo bikes out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you loved this video. We hope this list helped you in choosing the electric bike that suits you best. If you want to have a wider selection of choices, you can also reach us at electricbikeparadise.com or call 1-800-590-2738 and our staff will be happy to assist you. Experience paradise only here at Electric Bike Paradise.